finally got a motor together. Took a little bit longer than expected, but it'd be like that sometimes. We got our titanium exhaust manifold stud and nut kit on there, looking super fresh. The original turbo kit back on there. C.E.S billet manifold, one of the best manifolds that you can get. One of our custom 64mm billet turbos, Bullseye Power style. And otherwise just a pretty regular, forged rotating assembly, springs, valves, retainers in the cylinder head, stock OEM port. Nothing crazy, but enough for a little 1,000 horsepower street jammer. And it took a little bit longer than expected last year. Had some unfortunate issues with supply, machine shop, stuff like that, but pretty excited that it all came together and it's finally going back together. And we'll be wrapping up this project. I'm really not making any changes, just fixing the issue that we had of some bolts that go through the crank, the flywheel bolts, too long. Ended up putting some thrust pressure on the crank and really tearing up the mains. Yeah, really unfortunate because these motors, I've never ever seen anything like that, but it is what it is. Sometimes you go take a perfectly good running clutch out of a car and find out that the motor is on the verge of locking up any time soon. So unfortunately it forced we were able to reuse the block, but it needed a new crank. We were able to reuse the rods, and one of the pistons got a little hot, so we put some new pistons in it. But beyond that, it's pretty much all the same cam, same everything else, and going back in the same car after a bunch of time. So very excited. Here she is.